everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 13th to the 17th of June 2022 on Monday. Azwindini risked his life to rescue Ubangani after he tumbled down a cliff. James revealed to Imani that he's a product of rape and incest. Susan gets a big donation toward her political campaign. Hangwani is distraught when the new menu she ordered turns out to be a mess on Tuesday. Is Azwindini able to save Vangani from death? How will Lisedi deal with rejection? Has Rendani bitten off more than she can chew? Has Cupid shot an arrow through Ubuchilo's heart? Will Masindi's epiphany destroy Susan for good? The ancestors seems to have decided Azwindini's fate on Wednesday. Azwindini wakes up at Zwifoni. James stole a page from Denda's book. Zama invites Buchilo out on Thursday. Azwindini dies. James and Imani's idea to take Lisedi to Disneyland falls flat. Buchilo's chicken out from the date with Zama on Friday. Azwindini returns a transformed man. James is worried he might unwittingly harm his child. Buchilo makes a fool of himself. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.